Hey, if you've ever wondered which bike actually fits your life, stick around. I'm breaking down the 5 most popular styles, so you can skip the research, hit the road, and pick the perfect ride. Let's start with the classic, the Highland 700C road bike. This thing is built for speed and efficiency. The lightweight aluminum frame means it's easy to handle, and you're not wasting energy lugging extra weight around. Dual caliper brakes? That's lighter, lasts longer, and stops on a dime, even when the weather's not on your side. And with a 14-speed drivetrain, you're always in control, whether you're flying down the city streets or tackling weekend gravel. Plus, the 700C wheels help you glide over potholes and bumps like they're nothing. Assembly is a breeze, so you can be riding in minutes. Now, if off-roading is more your vibe, check out the full suspension mountain bike. Built with a sturdy carbon steel frame and a 250-pound weight capacity, it's all about confidence on the trail. Dual suspension means you stay comfortable and in control, even over gnarly rocks or roots. The 21-speed gear system makes climbing a breeze, and disc brakes give you the stopping power you need, rain or shine. Looking for something that does it all? The Schwinn Discover Hybrid bike is your go-to. It blends the speed of a road bike with the comfort of a cruiser. The upright handlebars and padded seat mean 0 backaches, and front suspension smooths out rough city streets. With 21 speeds, fenders to keep you clean, and a rear rack for hauling groceries or gear, it's the everyday hero of bikes. If you want a little extra boost, or maybe just want to crush your commute, the electric folding bike changes the game. With up to 40 miles per hour and a max range of 60 miles, you can go further, faster, and with less effort. Fat tires tackle any terrain, and the foldable frame means you can store it anywhere. It's fun, it's fast, and it's seriously convenient. And for the little riders? The WOOM 2 children's bike is hands down the best way to help kids learn. It's ultralight, so they're not fighting the bike. The handbrake is perfectly sized for small hands, and the steering limiter keeps things safe. Plus, transitioning from a balance bike to pedals. Totally seamless, no training wheels needed. So, which bike fits you or your family? I've dropped the official links below this video. Click to get yours and start your next adventure. Happy riding!